You can now use your smartphone or tablet to take control of your Daikin split system. It's easy with the D-Mobile app. It's free to download from the Apple App Store or Google Play, and there are no subscription fees. Once you have D-Mobile, you can connect via any permanent internet connection with the use of the wireless adapter. The app can control your individual units to start and stop, set specific operation modes, set the temperature level, the fan speed, and you can even plan a schedule for each unit. Plus, it has a vacation mode where you can turn off your units for a longer period of time. No matter where you are, if you have an internet connection, then you can control your Daikin system. Get the D-Mobile app and make your Daikin lifestyle even more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook channel as well for more helpful updates.